welcome back to my channel. On this video, as you guys can already tell by the title, I am going to be giving you a list of 10 YouTube or top YouTube video ideas that you can do. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Number one, we're gonna start off with a DIY videos. If you are into DIY videos, or if you are very artsy, very crafty, you like to do your own stuff, you know, you can record yourself doing these DIY videos. They are trending because a lot of people are trying to find a lot of budget-friendly, you know, cool stuff to do around their house, apartment, for decoration, and things like that. So you can record yourself doing that, put it all together and post it. Number two, it is makeup tutorials. If you are into doing makeup tutorials or you know a little bit about makeup, you guys can definitely just put something together and go step by step, list the items that you're using as far as, like, you know, your makeup stuff, and put it together, and there you go. Number three, it is going to be my favorite, travel vlogs. If you are into traveling, if you you know, take amazing trips, which I don't, I like to road trip a lot, but if you are into those type of travels, then go ahead and do some travel video. Those are very trendy because a lot of people want to know about your experience. They want to know, you know, things that you can talk about and recommend, any suggestions. You guys just put it all together, you know, share your experience, and yeah, people love that stuff. So yeah, that's if you hear that, it's my baby. It's just Elizabeth chilling. Number four is morning or nighttime routines. If you have a baby, this is gonna be amazing because I know a lot of moms, or a lot of like new moms, definitely want to know your experience, what you're doing to, you know, help the baby out in the morning, in the nighttime, or if you are a school, you know, student, college student, high schooler, whatever, you can do your morning routine or nighttime routine, you know, kind of show people what it is that you do before going to bed or before heading out the door. Number five is going to be motivational videos. If you're the type of person who likes to give a lot of advice, or you just want to, you know, just talk about something on a certain video of something that's going on with you or with a friend, yeah, you can go ahead and do some sort of video to give someone some motivation. Number six are challenge videos. If you are into doing challenge videos, you can gather a group of friends or family members, you know, and look up some of the trending challenges and give it a try. Number seven can be a video on how to be more productive. If you have any type of suggestions or recommendations, or you just want to share with everyone on how you get things done more easily, or, you know, things like that, go ahead and put a video together. And number eight is going to be a how-to video. If you know how to do makeup, clean your house faster, to fix a car, how to color, anything like that, you can make a video on that. And number nine can be some reaction videos. If there's a movie that you want to react to, if there's a song, a book, if there's, you know, any type of like YouTube video that you want to make a reaction to, you can go ahead and do that. And last but not least, shopping videos. I left this one for the end only because, you know, it's a good one. But you know, I love shopping videos only because, you know, you can go around to different type of stores and show people what you're getting, whether it's grocery shopping, clothes shopping, shoe shopping, hair product shopping, anything that you think of. You know, you can always bring everybody along with you, show them what it is that you're into, and shop. So there you have it. This is my video on the top 10 YouTube video ideas that you can do. And some of these ideas I'm actually going to be, you know, putting into play. So stay tuned for some of these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any other suggestions, or anything that you guys want me to, you know, do. I will gladly take that into consideration and get working on that. But other than that, I think this is the end of my video. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys next time.